Hi everyone, welcome to our virtual open house event at Parkland College. We are so happy that you've joined us here online. Obviously this year we had to change things up a bit, so this is how it's going to work. For every video you watch and complete the online survey, you're going to be entered into a draw to win prizes. The more videos you watch, the better your chances are of winning. Prizes include Parkland College merchandise and free Ed2Go courses. These are short online courses with hundreds of different topics ranging from sign language to accounting to graphic design. And if you apply for a Parkland College program between February 11th and February 19th, you could be eligible for a $350 tuition rebate. Whether you are joining us because you want to take a program or just find out more about us, we are here to help and answer any questions you have. If you want to talk to someone one-on-one, we have virtual advising and admission appointments available this week and every week. While the pandemic has certainly changed the way we offer programs, what hasn't changed is our student-focused approach. As you watch some of our videos, you'll get a chance to meet some of our amazing instructors who are passionate about sharing their knowledge and seeing our learners succeed. If you are thinking about pursuing post-secondary education, there are so many reasons to choose Parkland College, and there's no better time than now. We have 10 years experience offering programs online, and our dedicated IT team makes sure you have the best possible experience. For classes on campus, our small class sizes allow for increased distancing and safety, all while staying close to home. On behalf of Parkland College, thank you for joining us. We look forward to answering your questions, and we can't wait to have you on our campus.